The Dutch architecture studio, I-29, nestled this bamboo-clad house among trees in Limburg, the Netherlands, aiming to connect its residents to the surrounding woodland. Named Open Park Villa, the residence offers multiple views of the outdoors, with extended sightlines running through the building. The residents' desire was to have a home that gives the feeling that the house is everywhere on the plot, but present in a very honest way concerning the green surroundings. The Open Park Villa is part of a broader development that transformed the site of a former military terrain into a green residential area with 43 unique homes. Inside, it comprises a spacious ground floor with living areas and an open-plan kitchen, arranged around a central courtyard, while 3 bedrooms occupy the upper floor. Rich materials, such as oak wood panels in oil and a continuous cement floor, were used. Cabinets in the entrance, kitchen, living room, and lounge feature dark oil-treated oak veneer. Throughout the house, there are bespoke details, including built-in closets for internal storage and custom-made furniture. Clad in untreated bamboo, the house is defined by 5 interconnected orthogonal volumes placed around existing trees, each broken up by large glass windows and doors. Varying ceiling heights and finishes within the rooms clearly delineate distinct areas and functions within the house. Each space has its own ceiling height and finish. The living area is sunken into the landscape, constantly altering the perspective of the occupants and enriching the spatial experience. Although it has an open connection with the kitchen, it feels like a completely different room with a different connection to the outside. Natural fir wood is used for the ceilings in the living room and lounge. The light shifts throughout the day, illuminating different areas. The house volumes are oriented to ensure that natural light can move through the interior of each one during different parts of the day. The central courtyard enhances the cohesion of the entire ground floor layout, providing air, light, and space. This connection blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor, intensifying and elongating the views. The cabinets in the bathroom and hallway are in light oak veneer. In the bathroom and ground floor office, the open ceilings are painted white, paired with light oak cabinets. colored bamboo is used as cladding inside and outside the house, with fastenings hidden behind the panels for a minimalist look. This flush facade finish also helps the house blend in with its verdant surroundings, with the help of complementary tones of sand-colored cement flooring and stone, oak, and fir details inside. Natural fir wood is also used for the ceilings in the upstairs bedrooms.